Hi there, I'm Kelly from the credit department here at Gregg Distributors, and welcome back to Gear Up with Greggs. Today, I'm going to show you how classic accessories covers can help you cover your assets and ensure they're protected from the elements. In 1983, Classic Accessories was humbly founded in a small basement in Seattle. But over the years, they've come a long way. Today, Classic Accessories are making some of the most innovative, beneficial, and attractive covers on the market. With such a keen commitment to improvement, they have expanded to cover cars, RVs, motorcycles, scooters, grills, boats, snowmobiles, power equipment, generators, ATVs, side-by-sides, golf carts, and more. One of the most practical yet expensive assets to own is a car. And by keeping your car in good condition, you can avoid expensive maintenance and repairs later on. Since we live in Canada, where the weather can be unpredictable and the seasons never seem to be quite as picturesque as imagined, I'm looking at you, winter, our cars are exposed to plenty of salt and debris over the course of a year. Keeping your car clean and protected prevents dust and debris from scratching the paint and reduces the chances of rust over time. If you don't have a garage or protected area to store your vehicle, a cover should be at the top of your to-buy list. Covering your car, truck, motorcycle, RV, and other items of value is important. It helps to keep your belongings protected from the weather, dust, and other damage. Did you know that a car cover can actually act as a theft deterrent? All a thief wants is to easily get into your vehicle without being seen and drive off as quickly as possible. However, because a car cover can take a few extra minutes to take off, it increases the odds that a potential thief could be spotted and stopped. A car cover also helps to hide the contents of your vehicle, keeping that expensive sound system and other valuable items out of sight. When it comes to commercial vehicle covers, there are two you should be looking into. To my right is the Overdrive Poly Pro 1. And this one on the left is the Overdrive Poly Pro 3. While both covers appear to be similar, there are some differences that really set them apart. First, let's go over the similarities. Both of these covers feature an antenna reinforcement patch, non-scratch tie-down grommets, and an elasticized bottom hem for a quick custom fit. Each of these specs ensure that your car won't be scratched by the cover itself and that it'll stay on securely even when it's windy and stormy outside. Also, since both covers are made out of fabric that is breathable, they allow any moisture to escape, reducing the chance of mold and mildew. And let's not forget that both the Poly Pro 1 and Poly Pro 3 come with their very own storage bag, so tucking the cover away when it's not in use is that much easier. But what is it that sets these two covers apart from one another? Well, the biggest difference is in the fabric. The Poly Pro 3 is made up of 3 layers of fabric that resist and repel rain and snow, while the Poly Pro 1 only has 1 layer. A good way to describe the difference between these two covers is that the Poly Pro 1 is like a light spring jacket. It's soft, water repellent, and durable against moderate UV rays and weather, while the Poly Pro 3 is more like a heavy winter coat, as the extra fabric makes this cover more resistant to harmful UV rays, scratches, dirt, rain, and snow. That's not to say that one cover is better than the other. Rather, each cover has its own application. If you're looking to cover your car intermittently outside, if you have plans to cover your car in a sheltered garage, or if you live in a milder climate, then the Poly Pro 1 is the cover for you. The Poly Pro 1 also fits a sedan up to 175 inches long, or a crew cab pickup with a canopy 231 inches to 262 inches long, and everything in between. However, if you plan on covering your car outside in our more extreme Canadian weather, or if you're intending to cover your car daily, then I would recommend the Poly Pro 3, since its thick yet soft fabric will be able to handle anything the seasons throw at you. However, the Polypro 3 can fit sedans up to 175 inches long, or full-sized SUVs and pickups 188 inches to 230 inches long. So, in comparison to the Polypro 1, the 3 has a smaller size range. But, as an added bonus, Classic Accessories gave the Polypro 3 a zippered driver's side door for easy access. And if you're someone who's a fan of camping and wants to make sure your home on wheels is protected, consider looking into Classic Accessories' large selection of RV covers, as they're also made using the Polypro 3 fabric. Just remember that before you put on your new Classic Accessories cover, you should make sure that your vehicle is clean, because if you cover a dirty vehicle, the cover can end up rubbing against the dust and debris, resulting in scratches and other damages to your paint. If you want to learn more about some car care supplies that will help you clean up your ride, you can click the link in the description or up here. Classic Accessories has a huge product line with various covers and cases you might need for the great outdoors. There are numerous ATV, boat, motorcycle, and snowmobile covers, all made with the same care and innovation. I'd recommend taking a look through our catalog, online or in person, or talking to one of our helpful Gregg Distributors team members if you're looking for a cover but aren't sure which one to get. But if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to let us know in the comments section down below, or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Kelly, and thank you for watching this episode of Gear Up with Greggs.